What's going on, homies? It is your boy TK Acroterps here, and just wanted to check in with everyone because I haven't really been as active on the social media channels as of late, but it's for very good reason. I've had a lot of wonderful things going on in my life that I'm pretty stoked about and wanted to share with y'all here. So first off, started up a new gig doing some sales and marketing consulting stuff for a wonderful dispensary and distribution center that is based down in Long Beach called the Long Beach Green Room. So these guys are just a wonderful operator. They have great products, a really kick-ass team. It's actually one of my dear homies that I'm working with from back in the Colorado scene as well. So really cool to be getting the team all back together and kicking things off with this spectacular group of people. In addition to that, I've been getting a bunch of work around my drone Part 107 license. So I've been shooting some music videos lately, been doing some general kind of like marketing content, some fly-throughs of some private residents that get used for like renting out for different types of film shoots. And that's been really, really fun and exciting. I do love flying around my quad. And so anytime I have an excuse to play around with that and make some money off of it, it's definitely something that I super enjoy. So if you do need a drone pilot for any reason whatsoever, please feel free to hit me out. I fly both cinematic as well as FPV style. So FPV, you're thinking more like immersive type content. It's great for like live music, for doing chase shots, for action sports, for doing other kind of dance type numbers, doing marketing content for brick and mortar stores that are out there. It's a really, really cool way to give your customers or your potential customers a very cool and immersive experience of whatever your business might be. So in addition to that, I also have my cinematic drone. The cinematic drone is the gimbal drone. So that's one that you can keep really, really steady, really smooth. You have to keep it a little bit further away from whatever the subject is. And frankly, I think it's more aptly used for doing things that capture like a lot of landscape or larger format areas. But that said, each one has a wonderful place in the industry. So if you do need any kind of cinematic type content or you need some more kind of immersive up close and personal stuff, feel free to hit me up. I'm just finishing up my reels around both of those right now. So I should have those out pretty soon and I'll be publishing them up right here on my YouTube channel as well. So stay tuned for that. And then in addition to all that, I've also been doing some really cool and exciting things around my Acro Therapeutics practice. So Acro Therapeutics is something that I've been doing for about 7 or 8 years now, and it's actually the most consistent part of my acro practice. This is something that from every jam that I've ever been to over that last, better part of a decade, I've at least dedicated anywhere from 15 minutes to like an hour and a half of time to just getting in there and really working on and refining that Acro Therapeutics vocabulary and practice. So I've also been teaching this for a number of years, and I'm now kind of getting more into gear here in the Venice scene, and it's been super, super fun. So this summer, my dear friend Chanel and I were teaching a workshop over between the Magic Tree House right here in the neighborhood, as well as down on the grass in the Venice Breakwater area. So that went so well that we were able to get that parlayed into a workshop that's been going on now at Shefa Yoga. So Shefa Yoga is a beautiful studio right here in Venice on Main Street, and it's a spot that I actually went to a number of times before I went in there as in a teaching capacity too. So it's a great studio, a really spectacular lineup of teachers. The space is absolutely stunning. They even have a full Himalayan pink rock salt wall room. So really, really cool stuff. And they get very experimental too with some of their classes and workshops. So whatever type of movement art that you're into, you're definitely going to find something over there that fits the bill of what you're looking for. So my workshop's going to be going on December 10th. That's this Sunday, and it's going to be from 1:30 to 3 p.m. So really hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message. Now, the next thing that I've had going on around the therapeutics practice has been launching my online Acro Therapeutics fundamentals workshop, and that's going up on the Certifyde platform. Now, Certifyde is a really, really awesome space that's a collection of different like movement art teachers, different kind of holistic wellness practitioners, yogis, ninjas, acro yoga people. So it's a really, really awesome collection of folks that they've been able to curate. I got plugged in with it through my dear friend Kaylin, and she's been helping me me along the process of actually taking this practice that I've spent, like I said, the better part of a decade cultivating, and now finding the perfect format for me to share that to a much broader audience. So if you're interested in learning more about that, also feel free to shoot me a message or just check out Certifyde, and that's CertifYde.com. So they also have an app that goes right there on your phone to make it really easy to connect and check it out. So yeah, definitely explore that, and I'll have a link below here as well in case you just want to go right there from here. So I'm not live yet there with my workshop, but it will be up very, very soon. So definitely stay tuned. So in addition to that, also been getting a bunch of work going on around my rope practice, Bond Intimate, and that business been doing well. And yeah, those are kind of the main things that I've had happening in terms of like work life type stuff. So have a lot of really good stuff going down. I love sharing all these things with people, love doing private sessions, private coaching with folks as well. So feel free to give me a shout if that might be something you could be interested in, and I will look forward to hearing from y'all soon. So also, last thing, testing out this new microphone. So if you like how my voice sounds on here, definitely shoot me a message or a little thumbs up. I'm always looking for feedback and ways to get my content better and more online so that I can share my messages about, you know, kind of general positivity, active lifestyle, and having fun in whatever you do. So I look forward to hearing from y'all. Thank you so much for listening to my little spiel here for a little bit, and stay tuned for more drone, acro, roller skate, rope, and whatever else kind of content I feel like doing that day. Also, if you're ever around Venice Beach, make sure to stay heads up for me and come and get a picture. Let's do some dancing together. So y'all be good. Take care of yourself, and Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates. Cheers.